All right, so £20,000 to £30,000, I would then class as a premium kitchen. So I'd then say you're looking at a solid timber shaker door, or a German style kitchen, which kind of a solid timber shaker door will be more expensive than a German style kitchen, but not too much more. And they both kind of sit in that price range. For sure, I'd say you can get a nice sort of mid-range, even a 30mm quartz top. You can kind of upgrade to a more wacky colour if you wanted to. Your appliances, we're probably looking at like a set of Neff appliances. You can go with more gadgets. You can go with like backflip sockets in the worktops. You can add more lighting, especially in a German style kitchen. You can add more lighting around the kitchen. Kind of opens you up to more of the sort of luxury parts of the kitchen rather than just sticking to the fundamentals. But on sort of average, yeah, if your budget's between £20,000 to £30,000, I would say you can get a nice solid timber shaker style kitchen, 30mm quartz tops, a nice set of appliances, and probably squeeze a utility in that as well. Thanks for watching, and good luck planning your kitchen project.